Every home has a story, and sometimes protecting that story starts from the top. This home was ready for a change, not just in appearance, but in protection. And that's where GA Castro Construction came in. A new roof, a new look, and something even more important, peace of mind.
Hello, GA Castro Construction family. We are here today with another satisfied customer, Brandon. We're actually in Middletown, New York. Brandon, what was your experience like working with GA Castro Construction?
The experience was great from start to finish. You guys came in, explained how the process was going to go. And that's exactly how it went. You guys were very informative. As you can see, the roof came out beautiful, up the way it looks. The support was really great. Any questions that we had, they answered it. It's just all around great experience, 10 out of 10.
Awesome. Thank you, Brandon. I appreciate your time.
Because for us, a finished roof isn't just another completed project. It's another family protected. GA Castro Construction. From our family to yours.